5 signs of depression that should never be ignored. Depression is one kind of enemy for a human life. It couldn't give you peace. If you think about unnecessary things, depression will come automatically. Unnecessary things isn't enough for it. It has many reasons. Most people are suffering from depression all over the world. Over-depression is dangerous for health. It is one type of mental problem. You shouldn't take it easily. There has been many habits which make depression to someone's mind. It's a brain's illness. Every year, depression affects millions of people. Depression can kill someone from inner. Let's see the top 5 habits when someone are in depression. Number 1. Overthinking. When someone is in depression for overthinking, it is normal for that person. They think about the matters which are happening with them. They ask to themselves that, why it's happening with me? Why I can't do it? Why people are behaving like that? Continuous overthinking gives him more pressure. Sometimes, some people think about suicide in this situation. This can make them very dangerous for anyone who is in depression. It works like a silent killer. It can finish someone from inner totally. Depression forces you for overthinking. If you think over, your brain can be damaged. You can't do anything properly. You have to suffer for it. Number 2. Issues with sleeping. People who are in depression, they think over, so they can't sleep at night. Sometimes they stay up for all night. Peaceful sleep is very important for everyone, but depressed patients can't sleep because of their unnecessary tension. It is also harmful for their health and mind. They feel restless for this bad habit. Then they can't concentrate on their work. Timely sleeping is essential for your health, but when you are feeling depressed, you can't sleep well. It makes you more weak and also decreases your energy. Overall, your daily life can be totally changed. You will start to do unnecessary things. It can also decrease your physical condition. You can take prescribed antidepressants which can make you sleep in control. Number 3. Staying alone. When anyone is in depression, they like to stay alone. They don't want to share their thoughts with others. They don't want to meet up with friends. They don't want to talk with family and other people. They make their lonely world where no one can disturb them. Some completely give up communication with others, try to give up their daily works and routine. They don't want to share their feelings with others. They start to avoid everyone. They feel good to stay alone. Number 4. Confusion and indecisiveness. Depressed people are suffering from confusion and indecisiveness. They feel confused at every step. Sometimes they forget about their tasks. Their thinking power is decreasing day by day. They start to feel hopeless. In this situation, depression can destroy them from their inner self. No one can show how they are feeling inside. It makes guilt. Depression attacks someone's mind badly. It damages someone's brain slowly, then he always is in confusion. Starts to forget everything. He forgets how to solve problems. Simply, he feels like a failure. Number 5. Falling health and pain. Depression can make health problem for a depressed person. In this situation, they feel headaches, stomach, or back pain surface. These are signs of their mental condition. Depressed people go mentally sick day by day. It can be more than mental problem. It hurts someone physically and mentally both. None can feel the pain. Day by day, he becomes more sick. The main reason for it happening is the interconnected brain and the body. As a result, the person totally gives up his hope for his life. He feels empty from his inner and outer side both.